If you are a college admissions advisor, a lot of times you guys are happy as heck on a Friday, but then pissed off on Monday when your appointments are not walking through the door. First off, so many advisors have a tendency to slack off on a Friday because you're like, listen, this week was already hard enough. Today's a short day. I am about to chill out. Here's the problem with that. Some of you guys have appointments that were set since Tuesday and Wednesday for Monday. Why is that? I'm not sure. Remember, appointments should be set between 24 to 48 hours because by the third day, your students, they're like, I'm sorry, who are you? How did you get my information? And when did we speak? After you then spent 20 minutes pouring into the student and learning so much about them, they're going to sit there and act as if they never heard of you before. So this is what you should do moving forward. Make sure that you pull those calls, right? Uncover their why. Hopefully you guys took some really good notes and use it in the confirmation. I'm super excited to see you on Monday because I remember you told me. Our financial aid team is also excited to see you at 2 o'clock on Monday because they can't wait to explain to you the different options that are available. Here's the most important question that you have to ask. Is there anything that will prevent you from showing up on Monday? A lot of advisors are afraid to ask that question because you guys don't want to know the answer. But here's the thing. If there is something that was going to prevent them, guess what? They were not going to tell you. But now you're giving them the floor. Now you have the opportunity to jump in front of that challenge, address it, and then re-inspire them so that you can now solidify that appointment for Monday. I'm telling you, it works. Here's the last thing. On Monday, make sure that you're still confirming those appointments the morning of because emergencies happen all the time. And now you have an entire weekend that's separating your appointment. So make sure that you do yourself due diligence and confirm those appointments. And don't forget to ask for a referral. But it's time to stop cutting yourselves short. Let me know in the comments what you guys normally spend your Fridays doing if you're not calling those brand new leads.